Hey you guys, welcome back to another video.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
In today's video, we're going to be going ahead and doing acrylic nails. So you guys have been requesting this quite a lot. I've been slacking a little bit, but yeah. We're going to delve right back in to the acrylic nail designs. I've got a couple of tutorials coming up. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on this stunning design. So if you want to see how I created this, then keep on watching. I also want to go ahead and shout out some of you guys from my last video that commented. So if you want to also get featured in the next video or a possible feature, be sure to leave me a comment down below. So shout out to everyone that commented on the last video. Thank you so much. You guys are absolutely awesome. So this comment has actually won an access to one of my online courses. So if you can go ahead and DM me or email me, I will leave it in the description box. And yeah, I will give you access to one of my courses. If you want to be in with the chance to win an exclusive access for free, be sure to comment and be subscribed to my channel, you guys. I do not want you to miss out on this opportunity. It's amazing. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment and be subscribed to the Ninja Nail Fairy YouTube channel. Okay, so now we've got through that, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So jumping straight into the video, we're going to come in first with our nail tips. So these are the Glitter Planet nail tips in XXX sculpted coffin, and honestly, they are one of my favorite nail tips. They do have that beautiful C curve. They are nice and thick and strong, and they just go onto the nail beautifully because they've got these high kind of like wings at the side. So I'm just coming in and sizing these up, making sure that they fit on the nail. Once I've done that and I've got them all sized up, I'm going to be applying them with the Nailmate Instant Nail Glue. This glue dries super fast and honestly could not live without it. It never, let me tell you, never locks itself shut. Like, I have had brands in the past where you have used a nail glue and you've used it 3 times and all of a sudden you cannot get into it because it's glued itself together. I have never had that issue with this glue, and I have been using it since we obviously launched it on the website. Never ever had that problem. I was sick of throwing glues away when they were like half full. I literally could not get into them. I wanted to just take off a little bit of length. I felt like, you know, I just wanted to take a little bit off. I didn't want to do the whole length. I know it's not a lot, but it does make a difference. I'm just using the tip cutters with the magnets on. These magnets are available on literally anywhere. I think I picked mine up off Amazon for a few pounds. But yeah, you just literally type in little mini magnets. Even if you put nail tip cutter magnets, I think it comes up because obviously everybody did it. That's what people started selling them for. So yeah, it does help out trying to get all the same length on the nail tip. So definitely try that out. Once I've finished trimming those down, it's time to come in and lay our clear base. You guys know when I'm doing acrylic, I always lay a clear base. Whether you are doing a core powder, a glitter, or whatever, that clear base acts as the pure foundation for those nails, and it's going to give you the best longevity. Make sure there's no lifting, make sure they last. But also, when you come to change the design, you get to, you know, file back down to this and you can completely do a new design. I'm just going to run through some of the products that I'll be using in this video, and I'll go ahead and finish applying my clear acrylic base off camera as well. This is how it's going to look for all the nails. If you are a beginner doing nails, doing your own nails, I just want to point out that I do have a complete beginner playlist where I touch on everything in detail. You guys can learn literally all the ins and outs. So if you're thinking this is a little bit daunting, once you've watched this video, head over to my beginner nails playlist and I'm gonna go through everything with you that you might need to know to do your own nails. So now I've run through everything that we're going to be using. Don't worry if you didn't catch everything, I'll list it in the description box so you can check it out there. We're going to start our acrylic nail application and I'm so excited. It's been a while, I feel like, since I've done an acrylic nail set. You guys have been really wanting me to create that content, so here we are. I am listening to you guys. I am bringing it. Hopefully it all pays off and you guys manage to see the video and manage to watch it. I know YouTube's been a bit crazy with the notifications, but fingers crossed. You guys are asking for it. I'm delivering. Hopefully you see it. That pesky little glitter particle. Thankfully I managed to get it out and it's not going to spoil the design. Literally well annoying when that happens. Anyway, I'm applying Pirouette. So this is the Nailmate Pirouette cover powder. She's absolutely stunning. Look at those sparkles. Honestly, one of my favorite shimmers to use, like for any design. I'm possibly going to be bringing some more because everybody loves the shimmers, everybody loves the nudes, even I do. But now I've just applied another bead to the center of the nail and I've blended it up and down, and then we're going to come in with Petal. So this is a gorgeous glitter acrylic powder. I'm applying it to the bottom of the nail and blending it up to the cover powder. This is going to give us a really nice glitter fade. So this acrylic nail set is all about iridescent nail glitters, iridescent shines, a very soft design, like not too poppy but still a lot. Do you know what I'm saying? Like it's proper dazzling, really pretty, but there's not like lots of harsh lines or anything like that. We are just dousing these nails in iridescent shimmers, iridescent flakes. We are getting to it, like seriously. So these flakes that I'm applying now are the thermal flakes. They change from all different colors. Like it has literally all the spectrum of colors under the light. Depending on where you look at it, you'll see everything and it just looks stunning, layered over glitters. It also looks pretty on its own as well, which I use it on the other nails. I'm using some Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic to apply the silver lens flare glitter pieces. I just add 3 to this nail just to give it a little bit more depth, a little bit more something to it. That's the nail complete. We're going to move on to the pinky. So for the pinky nail, we're just going to do a full nail of Pirouette cover powder because we're going to be coming in with our nail charms. I wanted this base to be simple. Obviously it still has the glitters and shimmers in there, so it's really pretty. I've applied it to the bottom half of the nail, blended down, and I'm just making sure that that line where the colour ends is flat and blended so that when I come in with my next bead, it's going to blend seamlessly, and when I file the nail, it's not going to cause any issues and we're not going to have any harsh lines in the acrylic. So I'm coming in with my cuticle bead, applying that just before the cuticle, allowing it to level a little bit, and then with the tip of the brush we are just blending that product down into the next part of the nail that we already applied. Oh, honestly, acrylic, I love you. Seriously, I have missed this so much. Okay, so I'm gonna just add a little bit more product to the end of the nail because you want to make sure that it's even. So if you look from the side and you see that it's dipping a little bit or it's not even, just add a little bit more product and blend it into the rest of the nail. That way when you come to file, it's just going to be a little bit easier and you're going to have the right amount of product on there. Moving on to the next part of the design, I actually added an extra acrylic colour in here because, I mean, I just needed a little bit of something. I still wanted to keep it soft and delicate and just going with the vibe, the whole mood, the pretty lilacs and the pinks. So we have gone with the Nailmate Lilac Frost powder. Now this whole collection is absolutely bomb.com, but this colour is just absolutely so pretty. It's a gorgeous, super soft lilac with frosty iridescent shimmers, like more on this, well, it's definitely on the silver side, not with gold shimmers, like silvery shimmers in there. I'm applying that to the cuticle area. As you can see, it goes on really nicely and I'm able to get a really tight cuticle bead on there, looking dandy. Next, I blend it down partway down the nail. I want to keep this tip clear because these iridescent shines and shimmers are going to be the star of the show. So I'm coming in with the thermal flakes and just look how stunning they are. I still don't even know if you get the full effect of them here, but honestly, oh, I did the thumb the same way and they are just incredible, like incredible. The whole set is such a mood right now. I am obsessed with it. So it's time to take a little look at the nails, see how we are going. Honestly, they are looking freaking bomb. I'm happy with everything, so let's cap the whole thing. So using the Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic, I'm coming in to encapsulate every single nail. If you have been struggling with your clear acrylic and you haven't tried Nailmate, then you definitely need to. It's so easy to apply. It goes on beautifully, applies like butter. It is so smooth, stunning, and the clarity of it is so clear. It's unbelievable. You would sometimes even mistake it for a gel. It is that clear. So I'm just finishing up the nail with a cuticle bead, and then we can move on to the next step. Also wanted to remind you guys, if you didn't already like this video, please give it a quick like. It'll take you 2 seconds. It's just underneath here. Hit the thumbs up and it will give me a little like. It just means that I know whether or not you're enjoying this content. If I find obviously that not many people are liking it or watching, I'm just like, well, why would I continue to make it? It just doesn't seem right. Do you know what I'm saying? So I need as many interactions from you guys as possible so I know what kind of content to keep making or to not keep making. It just helps me out on that side of it. So now we've gone ahead, I've encapsulated this nail. It's how it's looking. We're going to go and do that on all of the nails, and then I'm filing them, buffing them, and we are ready to apply some nail charms. My favorite bit, as well as adding the top coat. Honestly, love it, cannot wait. So I'm using some pearls, some flowers, and these silver large frames. Now I did want to use this rose charm maker thing. It's going to be on the website soon if it isn't already at Glitter Planet. But yeah, look how stunning that looks. I didn't end up actually using it. I'm gonna use it in another set, so don't worry about that. I probably should have used it because looking back whilst I'm doing this voiceover, oof, it looks freaking bomb. But we didn't go ahead with that. We just stuck with the little smaller flowers and the other pearls and stones and the frames. So let's go ahead and get these charms applied. So I'm just using a flat brush from the 5-piece brush set and the gem glue gel, and I'm just scooping up a nice decent amount so I can apply it to the pinky finger. This gel's amazing because you can just pop it on and then come in and apply all of your charms. They will not move, they will stick right into it and they'll hold on until you take them off, quite literally. And even when you come to take them off, you're gonna struggle because seriously, it is so strong. It's like a super strong hold gel for charms and crystals. I've added the frame to the nail and then I'm filling it with the flowers, the pearls, the crystals. Once I'm happy with the placement, I'm going to cure that in the light for 60 seconds. Hey guys, just wanted to interrupt your watching time and just ask if you guys could go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you didn't already, and leave me a comment down below. Remember, you will be entered into the draw to win a completely free class of choice from my online classes, and that is super exciting, but you must be subscribed and you must leave me a comment down below. Right, back to the video, and it's time to come in and add our texture. So I'm using the fluid gel and we're just going to go ahead and go down and do these little lines from the outside coming into the middle, but we don't want them to touch. Also, I am flash curing in the light for 10 seconds just to make sure that they hold their position and hold in place and don't merge into one another. So I'll do this, apply it, and then pop it in the light for like 5 to 10 seconds, take it out, and then do the next one and do that until I've finished. Once I've done with that, it's time to come in and add some of those cute 3D lilac flowers, and oh, I'm just obsessed with them. They jazz up any set and make it look so freaking cute, and they're so easy to use as well. So I'm coming in and using the gem glue gel and applying that around the cuticle and anywhere that I want to add some crystals or pearls or the flowers, popping those into the gel and then curing that in the light for 30 seconds. Next, I'm coming in on the other 2 fingers with the fluid gel and we're just going to add a small pearl. I didn't want to add too much to these nails because I feel like the glitter is everything and I really wanted to showcase that. I cured that in the light so that everything was held in position, and then I'm coming in with my super gloss as always and top coating all of the nails, getting right around the cuticle, everything glossy, everything fabulous, and then I can come in and show you guys the final results once I've added my oil. Always love to finish a set with cuticle oil, just hydrating everything, getting everything nice and moisturized. And the Glitter Planet oils, if you haven't tried, are stunning. Absolutely love them. I'm coming in with my favorite scent, lavender and geranium. I'm obsessed with it. It's so soothing and natural and just, oh, obsessed, seriously. And this is the final look, you guys. Honestly, I love how it turned out. I think it's so soft yet cute. We've got a bit of texture going on there, a bit of glitter, and yeah, Look at those flakes, like they are flaking, baby. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you've loved seeing me create this set. If you have, again, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you didn't already. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you've enjoyed watching. I've absolutely loved getting back into the acrylic design. Honestly, oh, mwah. Absolutely love it. I have another set ready and waiting. I'm just finalizing the editing and all of that good stuff. So you guys are going to absolutely love that. But until then, you're going to have to just wait a little minute, give me a chance to get edited. So make sure that you have the notifications on and that bell ticked for all notifications so you guys get notified as soon as I upload any content. I would hate for you to miss out because, y'all, you don't want to miss out on this content. Like, seriously? Acrylic nails? Who? What? She back. I'm back. You know what I'm saying? I am feeling good. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, I'm just excited. I am excited for the next, well, for the foreseeable future of Ninja Nail Fairy because it's gonna be lit. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye. Check out some of my other playlists and don't forget to subscribe.